Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, you are welcome. Today we also going to do another unboxing, and let me go ahead and put my baby here. I hope you guys are doing very well. I told you this for this year I'm buying stuff for myself, not like a bag, a chain, or a shoe or anything. I'm buying stuff that will help me. So I bought my planner, which I did a video on yesterday, and today I bought some books that I want to read, physically want to read, because coming year is going to be a lot of stuff, and I really want to read these books to just prepare myself. So I bought some books. If you are new here, you are welcome to my channel. I'm really appreciate you being here. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for being part of my friends. If you're an OG, thank you. I love you guys so much. And like I said, today we're going to do another unboxing. It's the books that I bought for myself for Christmas, and I'm going to show you guys. And if you've read any of this book before, let me know in the comment. I really appreciate. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today, another good news is that I live in a town that we have Notre Dame, and Notre Dame is a college campus, and they are playing with Indiana State University. So my town here is very loud and busy this weekend. When it's football time, the college football, I'm not into the football, but my son is not a football player, so I have to understand the game. I have to love the game. So it's going on right now, and everybody before the game started, it was loud. Now it's very quiet because people are watching the game. And it's one of the games that it brings a lot of people in this area. We live in Indiana area, Notre Dame. We live close by, so we see all these football seasons, and it's such a lovely thing bringing people together. And since my son started playing, I kind of love it a little bit, because I have to understand the game, and I have a lot of customers who love the football. So I have to. When I was growing up, I grew up in a country that we do soccer a lot, but in America here, I have to love football, not soccer. So that's what is going on here. So if you are watching it outside Indiana, or you are following the game, you're also a football person, leave in the comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. So now let's open the first one. So the first book I bought is this one. Let me cut it, or let me cut it and open it up. Then let's see which one is this. I bought a lot of books. A lot. Oh! So this is one of the books that I bought. Somebody recommended it. So this is the 𝒓𝒕𝒄𝒉 franchise. Game changing, step by step becoming a driven franchise superstar. And this one is something that I'm going to read. Like I said, 2025 is going to be another different level for me. And some of you can tell from this book, but we don't want to do anything. We don't know what is going on, but I'm going to read this book. I said this year, the gifts that I'm buying for myself, my Christmas gift, is going to be, I said it's going to be books, planner, anything that will resonate with me. And not something that is going to be so material. I have to educate myself in a lot of stuff. So this is one of the books that I bought. If you read this book before, leave in the comment. I'm going to read it. And not a lot of people are interested in franchising, but I'm going to learn about it this year. Last year, apparently, I read a lot of financial books. I read about, let me say, about 6 financial books. And this year, I want to read more about franchising. It's not something common people talk about, but I really want to know about it. So let's see how it goes. So this is one of them. Let's get the other books too. Let me put this on the side. That one I have a big box. I think I bought 4 more. So I bought it as usual from Amazon. And I'm sure some of you are like, you can get just these books without buying them. It's okay. That's why I'm using the money that I save to buy. It's okay. I really want to keep them too. And in case one of my kids want to read, or in case somebody also want to read, I can pass it on. So So let me unbox this. Like I said, there are about 4 of them, so let's look at it. Put the box on the side. Okay. The making of a manager. So this one is also one of the things. What do you do whenever everybody looks at you? What do you do? Like I said, this year is going to be a different level for me. So I really have to read, literally read, and get the knowledge, not from what somebody is saying, but from well-experienced people. And normally you get those information from books. So I have this one as well. That's the second one. The next one is Stop the Shift Show, turning your struggling hourly workers into top performing. This one is also one of the books I'm reading this year. Super glad to have that one too. Then this is another one. I haven't read it yet, so I can't tell a lot about it, but this is some of the books. Never Eat Alone, Other Secrets to Success on One Leisure Time. This is also one of the books being recommended for me to read. And I love it when people do not recommend like TV shows. They recommend books. I really love it. It means they want you to succeed like the way they have, you know. And this one is The Customer Service Revolution. So this is one of the books somebody also recommended. And I'm also going to read that. So I have this. And I'm still going to go over and read some of the books that I read this year. This year I read a lot of financial books, about, I think, 4 financial books. And I want to go back and read them again. Now that I've read it before, it's going to be faster when I'm reading. I'm the type to tell you, I struggle to read. But I'm trying to read like 1 book every 2 months. Maybe I'll get better with it. So these are also some of the books I'm reading. So in case you've read some of these before, let me know. Leave in the comment, and I will love to hear about it. So what books are you reading this year? What Christmas gift are you getting yourself? What Christmas gift did you get for yourself? Me, I'm getting books and planners. What did you get? So thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.